Hello, dear children. Today, let's continue the lesson, The Children at Work. Okay, from the book It So Happened. And what did we observe in my previous lecture? That the children had crossed the road and the boy had run away from his particular town and he had met a strange girl and she was a rag picker. कचरा उठाने वाली होती है वो. So, they both become friends. So let's see what happens next. As they are crossing the road, she is dragging him. Okay, and he had observed certain signboards also. So let's see what happens here. Huge signboards were observed by Velu, and Velu was quite confused that what all these things are. What do we understand by the word signboards? The big, very giant boards on the road. As if you are traveling on the road, for example this is the road and there are big signboards at the side of the road, and different signboards are used here for the advertisements of different things, right? So this is how you can observe the signboards. And what all things did you observe on the signboards? Banyans means advertisement of banyans, underwears, right? And car tires, pens, a woman holding a box. So he observed all those things on the signboards, and he got confused also what all things are, what all what are all these things are. Okay, so the writing was in English, so he didn't know what it meant. So he did not understand. As he was unable to read English, he could not understand what is written on the signboards. Okay, so the girl turned onto a wide bridge and walked up. Okay, she turned towards a wide bridge means a kind of, if this is a road and if there is a river or canal under it, then you need to cross the road. Obviously you will need a bridge above it. Okay, so there was a wide bridge and she walked upward. Velu stopped then and he peeped over the railing. Peeped means he looked quickly. Peeped का मीनिंग क्या होता है? जल्दी से देख लेना कोई भी चीज़ को. So he saw the railing. Railing means the border line, लोहे की जो होती है border on the road or anywhere. So he was observing the railing, from the railing, and he was looking everywhere. Under him the road ran into the city. So under him the road ran into the city. It means, so the city was full of road and people were traveling on that road. Okay, this is the meaning of this small sentence. In the distance he could see huge buildings and and towers and more roads. Okay, all these things are observed by him. In the distance he could see huge buildings and towers and more roads. So as it was a city, so obviously Velu was quite confused that what all are these things. Okay, huge buildings also, towers also, and different more roads also. So everything was new for him and he was observing it all. Okay, see that big building with the wall around it. Okay, if you are not careful, you will soon be counting bars there. The girl grinned and pointed at a huge building. Okay, grinned. So she grinned means, what do we understand by the word grinned? Means with a broad smile. Giving a broad smile means grinning. So she smiled broadly. And which question did he ask him? Did she ask him? She asked him, see that big building with the wall around it. ओके, देखा तुमने ये जो बिल्डिंग है बड़ी बड़ी दीवारों वाली? इफ़ यू आर नॉट केयरफुल यू विल सून बी काउंटिंग बार्स देयर. इट मीन्स if you are not careful, then you will have to just count the bars. It means you will do nothing. अगर आप ध्यान से सिटी में नहीं रहना सीखोगे तो तुम्हें बस वहाँ पे जो बार्स लगे हुए हैं, मीन्स द रॉड्स एंड ऑल, सो यू विल जस्ट काउंट देम. यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू डू एनीथिंग. ओके, सो दिस इज़ हाउ the girl said this. Okay, so Velu squinted at and read the Tamil sign. Squinted means he just pointed his eyes towards a Tamil sign, as he was able to read Tamil. So what was written there? Central jail. Okay, central jail was written in Tamil. Why? I haven't done anything wrong. Okay, why? I haven't done anything wrong. Okay, why is she saying that you will be counting bars there? Because it's central jail. Okay, if he does anything wrong, then he will have to be inside a jail. Okay, if he does anything wrong in the city, counting bars there, it means वो जेल की दीवारों पे पीछे रहेगा. और मीन्स बिकॉज दैट सेल हैज़ सर्टन बार्स राइट, और उसके पीछे कैदी लोग खड़े रहते. ओके, सो दिस इज़ हाउ these rods in a cell or a jail, there are a lot of bars. Okay, उस वो कैद खाने को सेल बोलते. ओके, दैट पर्टिकुलर प्लेस इज नोन एज सेल. So this is said by the girl to Velu. Velu squinted and read Central Jail. Why? I haven't done anything wrong. So you don't have to do anything, just don't get caught, that's all. Okay, as she is too small, that girl is too small, she doesn't know what to say. She just mentioned that he will be put in jail for any reason, so don't get caught. बस पुलिस वालों के हाथों में मत पकड़ जाना. Why she must have said this? Why she must have said this? Only one reason, as they are the rack picker and rack pickers can be caught by the policeman, so that can be the reason she is saying so. Okay, so what does she mean? Velu wondered. Meanwhile, the girl was already heading down the bridge with the sack on her shoulder. Now she was still holding the sack on her shoulder. Which sack? The sack of garbages, as we have already discussed. What was in it? He had seen her putting plastic cups into it at the station. Okay, so as he observed earlier when he met that girl, that she was picking the plastic cups. It means she was picking the garbage there. Okay, so where? At the station. What are you carrying in that bag? Okay, this question is asked by Velu to that strange girl. Okay, so what was she carrying in that bag? Okay, he wanted to know, he was curious to know about what all things are there in her bag, that sack. Okay, so let's see what answer does she give. So things, bottles, papers, this is the answer given by that girl, that she collects things, means different things, means the garbage, the empty bottles and the waste papers are being carried by that girl in that sack. Velu wondered what she was doing with them, but he felt shy to ask any more questions. Okay, what did he feel? He felt shy to ask any more questions to her. It was still morning, but the sun blasted down on the tar. Okay, sun blasted down on the tar. What do we understand by this line? It means the road made up of tar. tar से बनता है ना रोड, डांबर जिसे बोलते. So because of the sunshine, it had become very hot. Sun blasted मतलब on the tar मतलब that road became very hot because of the tar and the sunshine. And the Velu's bare feet burned. What happened to him? His bare feet means as he did not wear anything on his legs. In means he did not wear any footwear. कुछ पैरों में पहना ही नहीं था, तो his legs started burning. जलने लगे उसके पैर. It was not like walking on a mud road. He mud road पे चलना, because why this thing is said, it was not walking on the mud road, because in the village he must have walked on the mud road. मड रोड मीन्स मिट्टी का रास्ता जो होती है. ओके, मिट्टी के रास्ते पे ज़्यादा चला था, तो इट वॉज नॉट ईजी फॉर हिम टू वॉक ऑन द टार रोड. ओके, सो इट वॉज क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट फॉर हिम. ही वॉज सोक्ड विथ स्वेट. ही वॉज सोक्ड विथ स्वेट मीन्स ही वॉज स्वेटिंग. पसीने से तितर बितर हो गया वो. ही ट्राइड हार्ड टू वॉक इन द शेड एंड कीप अप विद द गर्ल at the same time. So in fact he was trying to hide in the to walk in the shade. Shade means छाव में चलने की कोशिश कर रहा था. Shade means the where the sun doesn't means sun rays cannot fall, that place is shade, छाव जिसे कहते. And keep up with the girl at the same time. So he was also trying to be with that girl. Why was he being with that girl? Because he was new to that city and he needed help from that girl. She walked really fast. How far away was the food? Okay, he walked very fast. He walked very fast, and that is the reason he could not. He just because he wanted to be with that girl, he needed to run fast. Fine. Let's see what happens then. As he was hungry and they needed food also. Okay, so after almost an hour of walking, they stopped in front of a big building. Okay, where did they stop? They stopped in front of a big building. Shri Raj Rajeshwari Prasanna Kalyana Mandapam read Velu slowly. Okay, what did he read? He read the name of a wedding. Okay, so that was a mandap, means a place for marriage. Okay, and what was mentioned there? A sign with letters made of flowers said groom. Okay, name of the groom was mentioned there, J.V. Vinayagan. Okay, and bride was Rani. Velu stared at the big cars parked outside, and he also stared at the big cars parked outside. One of the cars had a flower garland and roses taped onto it. Now, where do you see such kind of cars which is taped by flowers and garlands and also roses? Obviously, where inside which a bridegroom sits. वो दूल्हा जिस कार में बैठता है वो कार ऐसे सजाई जाती है. Okay. The girl looked around, pulled one off quickly and stuck it in her hair. Okay, now she was attracted by seeing those beautiful rose flowers, so she just pulled one, plugged नहीं, तोड़ा नहीं उसने, लेकिन वो खींच के निकाल दिया उसमें से. Okay, खींच के निकाल लिया तो, and she just stuck it in her hair. Okay, come on, she said. Now she again called the boy. Okay, चलो जल्दी निकलते हैं यहाँ से. Are we going to eat here? Yeah, okay. He is asking. Velu is asking that girl that will we eat the food in that place where the marriage is going on, in that hall? Means that big building is nothing but a marriage hall, right? So asked Velu, looking at the huge hall and the people inside. Okay, as he was attracted looking at the people and the hall, huge hall of the marriage. Okay, this is the end of page number 11. Now let's see what happens in page number 12. Fine. So here hopes said the girl. Okay, hopes means उम्मीद तो है कि खा सकते हैं, लेकिन what is the plan made by that girl? Let's see. Said the girl, shaking her thumb under his nose. Okay, just under his nose she was shaking her thumb. It means showing the assurity, हम लोग जरूर कुछ ना कुछ खा लेंगे. But maybe Velu is expecting something weird. He is expecting that they will enter inside the hall and eat fresh food. Okay, this is the weird life lived by rack picker. Okay, and you people are living lavish lives. Seriously, you should learn something, that how troublesome things are in the world. Okay, there was a big garbage bin flowing with rubbish. Okay, so she led him behind the hall. Now where did they reach? They reached behind the hall. मैरिज हॉल के पीछे पहुंच गए वो लोग. ओके, एंड देर वॉज अ बिग गार्बेज बिहाइंड दैट हॉल. बहुत कचरा पड़ा था. ओवरफ्लोइंग विथ रबिश. रबिश मीन्स द वेस्ट. Waste is known as rubbish. The two goats were standing on the pile. As you can see, this is the first goat and second. These are the two goats standing on the pile, and they started finding something. Okay, fighting for a banana leaf, and both the goats were fighting for a banana leaf. As you can see, they both are trying to eat same banana leaf. It means they are struggling to have whole banana leaf. Okay, so let's see what happens next. So fighting for a same banana leaf. A cloud of flies buzzed around their legs. Flies means मक्खियाँ बहुत buzzing sound करी. The sound made by the flies means मक्खियाँ. Flies जिसे मक्खियाँ बोलते, तो the sound made by such flies are known as buzzing sound. So they buzzed around their legs. Okay, so there was a rotten smell in the air. Rotten smell, ROTTEN. Rotten means what? सड़ी हुई स्मेल. सड़ी कोई खाने की चीज़ सड़ जाती है तो दैट स्मेल इज़ रॉटन. ओके, द गर्ल पिक्ड अप अ स्क्वैशी बनाना एंड हेल्ड इट आउट टू वेलू. स्क्वैशी बनाना, सो देर आर डिफरेंट सॉर्ट्स ऑफ बनानाज. एक बनाना होता है जो पूरा गल जाता है, हम लोग फेंक देते हैं. ओके, ब्लैकिश हो जाता है, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ब्लैकिशनेस एंड टेक्सचर, इट्स टेक्सचर इज़ ऑल्सो क्वाइट स्क्वैशी. स्क्वैशी मीन्स बहुत पल्पी हो जाता है वो. So which is non-edible, खाने की इच्छा नहीं होती. So such things we people throw, but she picked it up and held it out to Velu, and she gave that squashy banana to Velu. वो वेलू को वो बनाना दे देती है खाने के लिए. Here's your food. And what does she see? What does she say? Here is your food. Okay, so ये रहा तुम्हारा खाना, ऐसा कहती है वो. Velu was shocked. Are we going to eat their leftovers? Okay, so as Velu belonged to a town, but he never begged and he never ate anything rotten. वो गांव में भले ही कैसे भी रहता था लेकिन ऐसा ख़राब खाना कभी नहीं खाया. सो ही इज़ आस्किंग हर, आर वी गोइंग टू ईट देयर लेफ्ट ओवर्स, मतलब बचा कुचा खाएंगे हम. लेफ्ट ओवर्स मीन्स बचा कुचा, थिंग्स विच आर लेफ्ट and not eaten by other people. Okay, now she is using that Tamil, maybe South Indian language. Che, what do you think I am? A dog? I only take untouched food. Okay, now what is she saying? That even being a rack picker, she is saying that I am not a dog. Okay, a dog मैं जो कि फेंका हुआ खाए. So she mentions that she eats untouched food, मतलब किसी ने टच नहीं किया ऐसा खाना खाती हो. इट्स अ बिग लाई, वी नो दैट वो झूठ बोल रही है, बट स्टिल इट मजबूरी होती है उन लोगों की ऐसा खाना खाने की. हियर सम मोर कैच, शी थ्रू हिम अ वड़ा. नाउ शी गेव हिम अ वड़ा. वेल लुक्ड एट इट विथ डिस्टेस्ट. डिस्टेस्ट मीन्स विथ लीस्ट इंटरेस्ट. डिस्टेस्ट मीन्स लीस्ट इंटरेस्ट, कम इंटरेस्ट के साथ. वो उसने बिल्कुल इंटरेस्ट शो नहीं किया. एंड इनफैक्ट द वड़ा वॉज क्वाइट बैड इन कंडीशन. ओके, नाउ व्हाट डज शी से? Come on hero, eat it. That strange girl tells Velu to eat that vada. You think I like it? वो बोलती है कि मुझे, तुम्हें लगता है कि मुझे भी ये वड़ा पसंद है? ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I told you I'll find you something to eat. Okay, as she mentioned that she had committed that I will find definitely something to eat, and she has found also. Don't think I have money to buy food for you. ओके, नाउ शी मेंशंस दैट, ऐसा मत सोचो कि मैं कुछ पैसों से खरीद के खाना खिलाने वाली थी, हमें बचा कुचा ही खाना पड़ेगा ऐसा. यूड बेटर ईट वॉट यू गेट अंटिल यू हैव योर ओन मनी. ओके, हियर शी मेंशंस दैट इट्स बेटर दैट यू ईट एनीथिंग वॉट यू आर गेटिंग नाउ. उसको अच्छे से खाना अरेंज करके दे रही है, तो ही मस्ट ईट द सेम थिंग्स टिल द टाइम ही अर्न्स अ लिटिल मनी. खुद का जब तक कमाई नहीं हो जाता, पैसा नहीं कमा लेता, तब तक ऐसा ही बचा कुचा खाना पड़ेगा. Said by that girl. Okay, Velu hesitated, but his stomach squeezed him again. As his stomach squeezed him again, it means he was feeling extreme hunger. So he hesitated first. वो बहुत hesitate कर रहा था, मतलब he was feeling uncomfortable. Hesitated means uncomfortable feel किया था. He gulped down the banana and vada, and he ate both. दोनों जल्दी से. gulped down, gulped means निगल लिया जल्दी से. And vada. His stomach felt better immediately, as because he was hungry, he started feeling better after eating that. Okay, he could have eaten at least 10 times more. Okay, as he was so hungry, whatever he had eaten, he would have eaten 10 times more than that what he ate. He ate banana and vada, but he would have eaten more than that, 10 times more than that, as he was so hungry. But the girl could find only one more banana, which she ate herself. So this is the kindness of that rack picker girl. What does she say? Means she did not say anything, but she gave two things, one banana and one vada to him, but she ate only one banana. Okay, she gave more food to Velu, but she ate less amount of food. Okay, so she was quite big hearted. बड़े दिल वाली थी, big hearted girl. Okay, so this is the end of today's lecture, and we will begin with the next part in my next lecture. Thank you, take care.